Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about the benefits of doing push-ups 50 times every day. Push-ups are one of the most effective bodyweight exercises that you can do. And they work out a variety of muscle groups including your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. So, doing push-ups every day can help you to build strength and improve your overall fitness. Here are some specific benefits that you can expect if you do push-ups 50 times every day. Build upper body strength. Push-ups are a great way to build strength in your chest, shoulders, and arms. By doing 50 push-ups every day, you'll be able to gradually increase your upper body strength and improve your overall fitness. Increase muscle endurance. Push-ups require a lot of muscle endurance, which means that you need to be able to perform multiple repetitions without getting tired. By doing push-ups every day, you'll be able to increase your muscle endurance and perform more repetitions over time. Improve posture. Push-ups can also help to improve your posture by strengthening your core muscles. This can help to alleviate back pain and improve your overall posture. Boost metabolism. Doing push-ups can also help to boost your metabolism, which means that your body will burn more calories throughout the day. This can be especially helpful if you're trying to lose weight or maintain a healthy weight. Improve cardiovascular health. Push-ups are a cardiovascular exercise, which means that they can help to improve your heart health and reduce your risk of cardiovascular disease. So, those are just a few of the benefits that you can expect if you do push-ups 50 times every day. Of course, it's important to start slow and gradually increase the number of push-ups that you do over time. Thanks for watching, and I hope that you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more fitness tips and tricks.